Is this what it looks like when you try to stream? Fear no more, you can have something like this. Perfect control. No sound. Even on slower maps. It's good and reliable. Alright, so here's what you'll need. The Arduino Leonardo board, top right, 2 wires, 2 1 million ohm resistors, 2 coins if you want, and a USB cable, micro USB. You can get these things quite cheap. The Arduino board, you can get it for like around 10 euros, depending on where you are, obviously, but it's quite cheap, and the rest shouldn't be too expensive as well. First thing you're gonna do is connect the wires to the resistors. For example, like this. You can obviously do it better if you want. I just did it like this and it did work out for me, so whatever you like. You do it for the other one as well. So you need 2 in total. Next thing we're gonna do is put in the pins, put in the resistors in the pins. I choose 4 and 2 in this case. You can choose whatever you like. And do that thing for the other one as well. Keep these things in mind because the numbers will be important later. You can tape the coins to the wires. You don't have to necessarily tape anything to the wires, they just have to be open. But it's more reliable if you use coins or any other conductive metal. This is what it should look like in the end. Perfect. Next thing we're gonna need is the software to run it properly, which is the Arduino IDE. Choose your running system, mine is Windows 10, so I'll be choosing that one. Contribute if you want, or just download it. We'll just do the just download for now. I downloaded it already, so I'll be skipping that. Next thing, just execute the executable thing, read the terms and service, and click next. I'll leave out the create short menu thing. I don't really use that, so why not? You can leave everything else on. Choose where you want to install it. That should be quite quick as well, doesn't matter where you install it. And hit install. This shouldn't take long since it's only 100 megabytes. After it's finished, you can just hit close. Right, next start the Arduino software. Don't worry, you won't have the code that is displayed right now. You'll get that later. First thing you're gonna do is go to Sketch, Library, and Manage Libraries. First thing you're gonna do is wait, obviously, for it to load, and type in capacitive sensor. It should be the first result. You can choose which version you want to use, 0.5.1. That's the one I used, it's installed already. Or you can choose 0.5.0. It's totally up to you. After you're done, hit close. And make sure that you have the correct board selected. Next thing you want to do is get the CapaPad zip file, unpack it somewhere. I'll be linking that in the description as well, so don't worry about finding it. After you've unzipped it, open the files as shown, and open CapaPad, I know. And this is what it should look like. Okay, back to what I said in the beginning is the pins that we put in the resistors. For example, we have 4 and 2. So 4 is the capacitive send pin, so where we put out the signal, and the 2 is where we hit the signal. Do the same thing with the other one as well. You can just copy if you want to go the easy way, totally up to you. Next thing, just hit sketch and upload. Don't forget to connect your board. Alright, after it's done, the next thing we want to do is figure out our capacitive threshold. So you just delete these 2 slashes before define serial output and hit sketch and upload again. Wait for it to upload successfully. Good. Now that that is done, the next thing we're going to do is go to Tools and Serial Monitor. You'll see 2 numbers probably close to each other. You can disable auto scroll and look at these numbers, try to remember them. Only 2, so 15 and 19 in our case. And don't forget to set your baud to 115200. That's really important. And after you've memorized these numbers, you can just put them in order and add 1. That means the first one was 15, so we'll add 1, makes it 16. And the other one was 19 before, so we'll add 1, that would be 20. You can change these values if you want to change the key that is being pressed, totally up to you. And after that's done, you can put on the 2 slashes again before define serial output, upload it to your Arduino Leonardo, wait for it to finish, and congratulations, you just built your own capacitive keypad. Have fun, go wild, like and subscribe, really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you another time. Thank you. I also stream on Twitch. Sometimes.